Hello everyone, this is A.P.Jha, MSc Botany, B.Ed, and I have almost 14 plus years of experience in the field of teaching biology. The topic that we are going to discuss today is human digestive system. It is part of chapter digestion and absorption, class 11, CBSE biology. So today we will try to study different components of human digestive system. So if you talk about different components, so basically there are only two components of human digestive system. The very first component is known as alimentary canal. Alimentary canal. And second component of human digestive system is associated digestive glands. Okay. So if someone asks you, what are the two major components of human digestive system? Answer is alimentary canal and digestive glands. Now let's talk about alimentary canal in detail. So the very first part of alimentary canal is known as buccal cavity. Buccal cavity. This buccal cavity is also known as oral cavity, and this buccal cavity contains of first part is labia, that is known as lips, followed by teeth, C, tongue, and last part is palate. So when we talk about buccal cavity, this buccal cavity consists of four different parts, that is labia, teeth, tongue, and palate. Second part of alimentary canal is known as pharynx. Second part of alimentary canal is known as pharynx. Now this pharynx, it is the common link between human digestive system as well as human respiratory system. Then following pharynx, we have third part known as esophagus. Esophagus. This esophagus is, in common language, is also known as food pipe. Following esophagus, we have stomach, the major part where the maximum digestion takes place. Following stomach, we have fifth part known as small intestine. Small intestine. Now this small intestine, it is again composed of three parts. These parts are, the first part is known as duodenum. Second part is known as jejunum. And last part is known as ileum. So if someone asks you what are the three major parts of small intestine, then answer is duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. Last part of alimentary canal is known as large intestine. Large intestine. Now this large intestine consists of cecum. Then we have colon, which again is of three types, that is ascending colon, transverse colon, and descending colon. And then following colon, we have the last part of large intestine known as rectum. So dear students, these are the major parts of human alimentary canal. Now let's talk about various type of digestive glands which remains associated with human digestive system. The very first gland is known as parotid gland. Parotid gland. Second one is known as sublingual gland. And third one is known as maxillary gland, also known as submandibular gland. These three glands collectively, they are referred as salivary glands. Salivary glands. This is the very first gland, which is the part of digestive system, and it remains present in our buccal cavity, in our oral cavity. Then after salivary glands, we have gastric glands. Gastric glands. Location of gastric glands is stomach. Following gastric gland, we have largest gland of human body known as liver. We will discuss about each and every single one of them in detail. Then we have, after liver, we have pancreas, the second largest gland of human digestive system, and last gland is known as intestinal glands. Intestinal glands. So friends, with the help of this flow chart, we can easily say that there are two major components of human digestive system. The first one is alimentary canal and the second one is digestive glands. We have gone through each and every single part of alimentary canal and digestive glands. Now let's try to make a very simple diagram of human digestive system. With the help of this diagram, you can easily level different parts of digestive system with help of this diagram. Now diagram is a bit tricky, but with practice you can easily draw this one. From here we will make a stomach, then a small turning over here, it will take some time to complete this diagram, so stay tuned with me. After the diagram, we will level each and every single part. We will try to keep this diagram as simple as possible so that everyone can make a copy out of it. And with practice, you can definitely make the diagram very good. Now, diagrams are of utmost important in case of biology, because if you remember the diagram, then you don't need to remember each and every single part of the digestive system. So let's start drawing it from beginning. This part, first part is known as oral cavity. Then over here, we have esophagus. Then over here, we have stomach. This one is known as liver, the largest exocrine glands in case of human. This part is known as pancreas. This part is large intestine. Inside large intestine, the highly coiled part, this part over here, it is known as small intestine. And over here, the last part is vermiform appendix. And above vermiform appendix, over here, we have cecum. So this is completely level diagram. So in the next video, we will try to cover each and every single part in detail. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day.